Early buzz around Blade Runner 2049 is extremely positive, suggesting the long-awaited science fiction sequel could well be 2017's best film. The follow-up to Ridley Scott's 1982 classic is being heralded as groundbreaking, a masterpiece, phenomenal and breathtaking in the first wildly enthusiastic responses. Although full reviews are still under embargo, social media reactions have been published by several major online film publications. Jablo.com calls Blade Runner 2049 astonishing. More than just a visual wonder, it's a groundbreaking science fiction masterpiece. Cinema Blend proclaims it phenomenal. Visually mind-blowing sci-fi with noir roots shining through in a tight, twisty mystery. Best film of 2017 so far. NewsHub's own Kate Roger traveled to Berlin to interview the film stars Ryan Gosling and Harrison Ford and was shown half an hour of selected scenes from the film. It's visually groundbreaking, atmospheric and intoxicating, embodying the spirit and hue of the original film, while at the same time breathing new life into its future, she says. Blade Runner 2049 is directed by Denis Villeneuve with cinematography by Roger Deakins, with Ridley Scott serving as executive producer. It opens in New Zealand cinemas next week. A roundup of the first tweets on the film are listed below.